Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome back. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see what's going on. Good morning. Good morning, Vlad. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Yeah. ATR is at 32. Big moves. Big moves. Consolidation. Consolidation. Some distribution during London here. Let's see what's on the big drop. So let's look at the news. Well, not that. Yeah, that's why. PPI 8:30. There you go. 8:30 a.m. That's probably the drop. Mm, Well, this was a drop from yesterday, actually. It was dropping yesterday. 8:30. Anything happened at 8:30? 8:30 was here. Let's see on the 5 minute. Yeah, this was 8:30, so it looks like a little more drop. Did it come out positive? I didn't even notice. Yeah, it was positive, and it still dropped. Hilarious. Hilarious. Mm-mm-mm. Welcome back, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for watching Trading with David. 305, 305, 305. However you say it. It's fine. We are trading the NASDAQ, like always, guys, because it's my favorite instrument, regardless of what other people say. All right. Let's see. So, yeah, and we're just gonna mark the London low and the London high, right? Let's move this. I don't think we need to leave that there, right? Yeah, that blue line. We'll move it here. All right, that's London low, 24,794. And looks like that line that I had before, but it's already been swept. So if anything, we're gonna move it to this previous day low. Previous day low. So that was a low. That was a low was taken. This low has not been taken, which is, I believe, this area right here. Yeah, there's this, then there's this down here. Yeah, which is this one. So this is 24,693. I just put it there because I had the line already there. So let's mark the top. Uh, make this bigger. All right, sorry. There we go. And the London high is 25,097, guys. So we got the London high and the low again, 24,794. We are under VWAP, so obviously we are in a downtrend currently. in a current downtrend. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely a downtrend. Let me see. What accounts am I going to trade today? Am I going to trade the same accounts? All right, so we're green on this one. We're still red on this one. So definitely going to have to trade that one. See if we could flip it. If not, it's going to go more red. ATR is pretty high. ATR is pretty high, guys. So let's keep that in mind. Let's keep that in mind. Yeah, I'll do... I think I might just do 5 micros again. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button. Get that over with. Let's see. What are we looking at? Yeah, everything is under VWAP. Everything on ES is under VWAP. Oh, I see the fly, bro. This fly has been pestering me every day of the week, and I haven't been able to get it. No matter how cold I put the house, it just hides and stays warm somewhere. I have my fly swatter with a zapper, so if it flies by me, it's cooked. I'm just letting you know. If I could catch it, wherever the fuck this fly is. My goodness. I swear I saw it like around here right now. It's playing with me. It's like, I want to be on live on YouTube. And the fly's like, zzz, zzz, zzz. Anyways, I got my zapper right there. If it crosses me. Oh, man. All right, you guys know the drill. If the market's dumping, you're going to hear this sound.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Which it kind of is dumping right now. But if the market is pumping, you're going to hear
Green Giant.
All right, guys. So, and then I have other sound effects that you hear during the stream. Let's see. And then obviously, if I get cooked, yeah, if I get cooked, you'll hear, I don't know, you could hear a whole bunch of different sounds. Let's see which one. I got so many now. Yeah, one for sure. This one's hilarious. I don't know why. It's just funny to me now, just because me and my sister joke about it. But yeah, this one. All right. Let's see. Let's see what happens today with the NASDAQ. See what it wants to do. Just telling everybody it wants to go down out of nowhere. It just pumps and goes to the moon. That's what it does. Alrighty, here we go. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to ask. If you don't understand something, there's no stupid questions, okay? Everybody starts at zero not knowing anything. You know, you got to learn somehow. If you don't understand an indicator on my screen or like, oh, what is that? I don't know what that is. I'll explain it. It's not that much on my screen. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not. It's not that much. Let's see. What am I gonna trade today? What am I gonna trade? Let me see something here. Okay, Tradeify, Lucid. So we're gonna do the Tradeify, Lucid, maybe one Apex account. Let's do that. Let's do that just in case. All right, so we're gonna take this disconnect and disconnect. All right, I'm gonna connect these things to the Tradeivate, just in case, you know, my copy trader goes crazy and cooks me. Gotta be ready out here. Gotta be ready. All right, so let's turn this up. Lucid trading. There we go. Launch Tradeivate. We're gonna launch this one, which is Tradeify. We're gonna launch. What do you mean order failed? You better relax. Order failed. Oh man, this thing gives you a mini heart attack. Let's see, Lucid. All right, we're locked in there. We got 15 more minutes till the market opens, guys. 15 more minutes. All right, we got Lucid. We got Tradeify. Now we need Apex, or I don't like Apex, bro. It's good to learn on Apex, but like once you actually know what you're doing, the only benefit it has is that 20 accounts, but still, like, they have so many damn rules, man. All right, so we got those three rolling. All right, so let me add it here to my copy trader. Which account is it? Am I crazy? I think it's this one, right? 7. Apply. 7. Yeah. All right, let's see what happens. Hopefully I don't blow that account because they've messed up like the trailing on that. Regardless, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Let's fix this. It looks like it's gonna sweep the London low before market opens. Let's see. Oh my God, they are interesting. Okay. So let's see. Hold on. All right, all right. Almost 10 minutes. 10 minutes into the New York Stock Exchange opens, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. Good morning. Good morning, Sound Engineering. Good morning. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Market's gonna open in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me now. Anything you don't understand. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you get your coffee, your energy drink, or whatever. Need that cortisol as fuel. Okay. Need some caffeine. Need to be awake. Let's see. Yeah, market's in a downtrend, guys. Just in case you're wondering. It did the big pump for Nvidia, and then it chopped around and straight down. Complete erase of the earnings. Straight down, guys. Insane. If you guys are tuning in, make sure you hit that like button. I am gonna look for the best trade possible, guys. All right, just stay patient. Market ATR is currently at 31 for the 5-minute time frame, so it is pretty volatile. Let's hope it stays under 50. Well, let's hope. If it goes above 50, just, risk accordingly, but always risk accordingly. Risk what you can manage to lose. That's all. That's all you can control. Can't control which way the market's gonna go. So, yeah. Mm -mm, mm -mm -mm. Yeah, there's not much going on, guys. So we're just waiting till the market opens now in 5 minutes. My 5-minute alarm is probably gonna go off. And there it is. 5 minutes, guys. Um, yeah, we're under VWAP. We're under all the EMAs. We're under all the EMAs, so we are in a downtrend. We might be going for this. There's a support pivot here. There's a zone of interest, like a demand zone here. Obviously, price has constantly gone down here and bounced. So I might be wanting to go down here one more time. Might want to sweep these lows. It might want to come all the way down here and fill this gap. Anything is possible. It's all possible. Let's see if it breaks through this demand zone or support zone, whatever you want to call it. But it's gonna rip. If it rips through that, then it might be going down for this zone. Let's see if it fills this imbalance on the 1 hour. We can look at the daily, see if there's anything interesting there. All right, so each candle here is 1 day. Let's see. I do have these levels marked out, as you can see. Same as the hourly, they're still here. It is coming down for this level. It likes to chop around here. Obviously hit EMA 50, complete rejection to the downside. I had marked that zone out and marked the line where it possibly could have got rejected, and that's exactly what it did. We have EMA 50 right here. I'm sorry, EMA. This is an EMA. EMA 200 on the daily. This is the daily time frame right now. We could see there's a zone here. So these two zones are pretty important, and we'll see how it reacts to those zones. But overall, if you look at the market, man, it's been super choppy. Look at this shit. Just going nowhere. Super choppy since August of last year. August of last year is when it did this rip to September, the end of September. This was like the Christmas rally. And then it just, October 10th, looks like it dumped. Then it ripped again at the end of October and completely dumped from October. Yeah, it's crazy. Alrighty, let's see. Let's go back to a little closer to ground level here. This thing is freaking nuking down. Nuking to the bottom. Let's put more time there so we get more data. There we go. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutos. I'm gonna make it smaller like that so we could see these other zones. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see which way this thing wants to go. It looks like it's gonna sweep the London low already. Kind of pre-market before the market opens. It's gonna sweep it. It's tapping that support pivot. So let's see if it rips right through that or if it bounces. Gonna be interesting to see. All right, 30 seconds. I changed the music up just a little bit. Needed something a little more chill. A little more chill. It was enough with the other music. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see which way this thing wants to go. Let's move it there. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. All right, there it is. The stock exchange is open. All right, there it goes. And let's zoom in here. Let's see if it tries to go back up now. 4 hour, everything looks like it wants to go down. So, does it give a? That's if we're looking for longs, we need this shit to come all the way back up here. This is really, really, really bad here. We need to see a pullback. Probably it's hitting a swing low here. Should be a little pop, touch VWAP, and then a rejection down again. That'd be nice. Or a complete reversal. That would be interesting. Hopefully not chop. Hopefully not chop. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you hit the like button if you do come and watch. If you can't hit the like button, you're probably not subscribed or logged into YouTube. So go on your YouTube app, look for Trading with David 305, and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. All right, clear rejection. Clear rejection off EMA 21 here. Tapped and pushed it right back down. Let's see if it goes down or if it's gonna rip through it now. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Did you guys notice it has not swept the low though? This is the London low right here. It has not taken out that low. So that's weird that it hasn't taken it and it's starting to pump up. I know that it's obviously the New York Open, but yeah, it should have at least swept it before it started ripping to the upside. So, little strange. Little strange. Again, NASDAQ does what it wants. It doesn't have to do what you think it needs to do, right? Let's see. Didn't sweep the London low there. Or did it? Let me zoom in. Maybe it just tapped it. Nah, it didn't sweep. I think it did like an equal low. This candle right here, just kind of right there. Wow. Reversal. Swing low. Maybe a swing high. Taps VWAP and then comes down. If it reverses completely, we'll see. They might want to end the weekend green, since yesterday massive drop. ATR is 30, guys. Average trading range is 30. Just don't like that it didn't really sweep the lows here, and it's ripping. Could be a fake out. Could be. Let's see if it swept it on ES. No, I didn't sweep it on ES either. Interesting. Very weird. Wow. Shooting star. Guys, let us press that like. Let's go. Appreciate it, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right. Let's see. Let's see. We're going to wait for the first 15 minutes, guys, so we can set the orb. So just stay patient. It's been 5 minutes. Not even. Guys, stay patient. The market, less is more. When you trade, less is more. Let's go, Danny. Good morning. Let's go. This is the only thing that the less you work, the less trades you take, the more profitable you are. You want to do the one and done over here. So we're gonna look for. We gotta treat it like you have one bullet in the chamber, and you gotta make it count. That's how you gotta treat this. All right, so I broke EMA 21 on that close. Still got 10 more minutes till the orb is set. All right, let's see what it wants to do. This is shooting. It is turning into like a shooting star here. That's what I call that formation. Some people might call it a reverse hammer. For me, a hammer always wants to come down. So I don't say hammer because it, a hammer is if it's completely red down here and then has a wick. That's what I think. That's what I call it. I'll rename these things. Anyways, let's see. How big was this first candle? It looks small, but I think it was pretty big, guys. 101 points. This little candle right here looks small, but it's 101 points, guys. That's massive. ATR is at 35. 35. Let's see what happens. That's a massive pump. No, it doesn't look like much, but that's a big pump. It completely erased this whole move. Closed here, almost closed. Yeah, complete rejection. Is it going to be a rejection to the downside now? Let's see. That was a swing low, so that's why we got this reaction to the upside when the market opens. But let's see what happens. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. All right. Let's see what the bigger time frames are doing. We got the 4 hours still looking bearish. ES is looking very similar to NQ. Very similar. So we're just going to stay patient until we see a good setup. And that's it. Hopefully it's not a hopefully it's not a choppy day, because if it turns choppy here, we're just gonna end it and not take a trade. You know, if I see it just keeps choppy and I don't see a breakout or a momentum candle, we're gonna have to not take a trade. I'm not gonna mess up the profits on a bad trade, you know what I mean? The profits of the week. We need to get that 6 weekly winning streak. I have lost trades, but overall on the week I stay green. And we're not gonna mess up the weekly win streak if it's a bad trade, you know what I mean? Let's see. This swing low, it is having a reaction, but it's failing to push. It tried pushing and then came right back down. The sellers are in control. The bears are in control now. The bulls were in control here, and now they're in control. Let's see if they can regain control, the bulls. Let's see. I don't like that it didn't sweep any of the lows and it's pumping, but just got to stay patient, guys. This could be a small pullback and then it continues going down. I don't know yet. I don't know. They're fighting hard. I'll tell you that much. The bulls and the bears are fighting it out. All right. Let's see here. It just tapped EMA 21 on ES. And it's showing a rejection to the downside. So let's see. Let's see if NQ follows. It's going to erase that whole long move right there. Wow. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. There's no news today that I know of. I mean, other than, random information that comes out. Got to be careful with that. All right, once this candle is formed, let's make sure we mark out the high and low of the first 15 minutes. That is your opening range. And then we're going to wait for the breakout. So that's going to be our orb. We got about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Wow, complete rejection on ES. ES is like down here on the red candle. This red candle is down here. So let's see if NQ follows. You want to see? Oh, whoa. See? That's ES. This is ES. Complete rejection. And this one still hasn't gone all the way, but it might go. Look, it might follow. It might follow. Yeah, it's following ES. Hey, it's like you can see the future if you look at ES. All right, we got 2 minutes and 40 seconds till the orb is set. Get ready. Get your rectangle tool or your lines, however you want to do it. Or if you have an indicator, that helps too. Let's see what happens. ATR is at 38. 38, guys. Turn the copy trader on. I'm going to mark out the orb on these first. Wow. ES is dumping. ES is dumping. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's going for that swing low finally. Complete rejection of the super trend. Hey, shit's coming lower. There's a support pivot here. It might be coming down for this swing low. Swing low down here. So this line is this one, I think. Yeah. This is the London. I didn't mark London here. So London is the bottom of this line right here. So I just kind of tapped it. There it is. Now we got to be careful that it doesn't do a sweep. There it goes. All right, we got a minute and 10 seconds. Let's stay patient, guys. NQ and ES are dumping again. Massive opening range today. Massive. Risk accordingly, guys. ATR is at 39, 38 on the 5 minute. So just risk accordingly. All right, orb is set in 5 seconds, guys. Make sure you mark out the orb. I'm gonna mark it out right now. All right, orb. Let's go. We're gonna set the orb. This is 935. This is the high and the low. Let me fix it. I know it doesn't seem like much, but this orb is. Let's see. That's where that is. Let's move that for you guys right there. This orb is massive. Okay. It went down. It couldn't go down. Now it's going right back up. We're not going to take a breakout to the upside, guys, because we're not going to take a breakout into VWAP. Okay, guys? No breakout into VWAP. That is a no-no for me on my strategy. I got to wait and see how it reacts when it taps VWAP. So if it does break to the upside, we got to wait. It's been in a super long downtrend. Just stay patient, guys. I'm not taking a breakout to the upside against VWAP. It has to go and close above VWAP and maybe even above. It has to close above VWAP, man. It has to close like up here, to be honest. Even here is sketchy. Might go down again. So look at the rejection off EMA 50. All right, guys. All right. Just stay patient. It could chop in here all day. You never know. I don't think so. I think, I don't know. It's in a pretty weird zone, to be honest. Let's see. Let's see how big the orb in total is so you guys can see how big this orb is. 130, 129 points. Still, that's pretty big. That's a decent size, I guess. I've put usually 200-point orbs, but ATR is at 44, guys. It's getting very, very volatile. Very volatile. Don't blow your accounts today, guys. It's Friday. Don't mess up your weekend. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, it might break to the upside, but I don't trust that. It hasn't tapped VWAP in how long? Since 7 a.m. Since 7 a.m. it has not tapped VWAP. So when it taps VWAP here and then it taps VWAP here, could see a move down again. So just stay patient, guys. Don't take this breakout. I don't recommend it. It could rip to the moon, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't like taking a breakout into VWAP. Usually doesn't work out well. But let's see. Maybe the bulls take over complete control. Let's see. Let's stay patient on this. ATR is 40. Yikes. Yikes. If it gets over 50, I'm only going to trade one account, man. I'm not going to mess around with the other accounts. I'm not going to copy trade all these accounts. If ATR goes over 50, which let's see right now, this is going to break to the upside, but it's not breaking out on ES. Yeah, I'm not going to take that right at VWAP, bro. That's crazy. I'm not doing that. Let's see. Yep. There he goes. ATR is 49 and 77. So at least on mine. So yeah, I'm gonna take the copy trader off and I'm just gonna trade this account, 5 micros. When I get a good setup, if I get a good setup. But I'm not gonna copy trade. Not copy trading with this volatility. I'm gonna blow these damn accounts. Or not blow them, but just mess up the weekend, man. I don't want to mess it up. So the only account I'm gonna trade then, since ATR is so high, the one that we're right on. Everything else, you know, we'll just leave it alone. Just gonna hold the capital there. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP on the 5-minute time frame. Should be interesting. Let's see. It's in this tricky spot, man. The overall trend is bearish, guys. The overall trend is bearish, so I would have liked to see it tap this zone before popping up too. Yes, it hit the swing low and now it's bouncing. But for me to look for I need to see a strong close in 9 minutes or 8 minutes. A strong 1 hour close up here. I don't know. Or up here. That would be like inverse this 1 hour. That would be poof. My concern is still there's so much resistance on the top here. Look at this. Rejection off VWAP. There we go. That's why I didn't want to take a long there. Never take a long into VWAP. If VWAP is down here and it's going down, and VWAP, yeah, you don't want to take a short into that or a long into that. VWAP, remember, has all the sellers from the institutions. Not all, and the buyers too. So sometimes it's just where people like to buy the price at. It's a good price for them at VWAP. It's either a good price to buy or a good price to sell. You know? Let's see. Let's see. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's a doji, man. It's indecision. A doji is a cross. A doji is a cross. All right. It's just right in between all those EMAs there on the 5-minute time frame. Bounced off EMA 200. Bounced off VWAP. Now it could chop here like this. Gotta be careful. It is choppy, guys. It bounced, came down, went right back up, came right back down. So it is fairly choppy. And these movements right here, they're over 100 points. So you got to be careful. Each candle here is almost 100 points. ATR is at 49. When this candle closes, I assume it's going to be over 50. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to go lower or if it's going to rip to the upside now. Let's see. Yeah, ATR 50.82 now. Or 62, whatever. It's a little different on everybody's computer. But it's in the 50s. It's in the 50. Gotta stay patient. Gotta stay patient. Look at this chop fest, man. This is gonna go right back up now. Yeah. I'm freaking freezing. Let me put the air up. Yeah. Oh man, this shit's going nowhere. It's going sideways. Oh, this isn't great price action, guys, for Friday. Not looking good. Not looking good. If you look at ES, it's still inside the orb. It has not even broken out. But overall, it looks like it wants to go down. It looks like it wants to go down, guys. I don't know. It completely rejected off VWAP. Let's see if it pushes and goes lower. This thing is just completely undecided of which way it wants to go. It's literally doing
Green Giant.
And then it's going straight down.
Tactical nuke incoming.
Green Giant.
Tactical nuke incoming.
Green Giant.
It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's completely like back and forth, back and forth. It's completely undecided. That's what this candlestick means right here. This is a doji. When it's got nothing on top or the bottom and it's a complete cross. New 1 hour candle just opened. Let's see if it wants to go up or down. It's still kind of a doji, guys, even though it closed greenish. But let's see what it does. As you can see, it did tap VWAP. Let's see if it rips above here, and hopefully I don't know. This is completely indecision. We need to see a strong close up here. Let's see. Okay. Finally getting some sort of direction here. It has not tapped VWAP or broken out of ES. ES has VWAP right on top of it. So just stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Could be another fake out. I need to see a strong close up here. I mean, it's very sketchy right now. Let's see what happens. Let's just stay patient, guys. Wow, thing just broke to the upside there. Complete green giant.
Green giant.
It literally popped. So let's see how it reacts to VWAP here. Hopefully it can close strongly up here. Let's see if it wants to fill this imbalance and we can catch that move to the upside. Looks like but it has to close strongly above VWAP now. If not, it could just chop. So just be careful. ATR is at 50, guys. So ATR is at 50, meaning control your risk if you do trade. You don't have to trade. Don't have to trade today. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's a pretty strong rejection there. It looks like it tapped VWAP on ES and is getting rejected to the downside now. It tried to break out of the orb on ES, but it did not. It did not break out. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm not taking a long on this candle here yet. Not yet, guys. Not yet. I'm not taking it. Not convinced. Not convinced. Yeah, we got a candle that's trying to break out of orb on ES. It just tapped VWAP on ES, and it's ripping. Let's see how it reacts to this breakout. If it closes really strong, now we might be looking for the long. If it closes very strong, let's see. ATR is at 53, guys. 53. So just risk accordingly. Don't mess up your profits for the week. Don't blow your account. Yeah, it just touched VWAP on ES and it's getting rejected to the downside. It also tapped EMA 50 on ES and it's getting pushed down. So let's see if it could break through that. That'll give me a little more confidence. We do have EMA 200 here. Got to be careful with that. Let's see. But this is very bullish. So I might want to go for this imbalance here. We can capture that move without getting wicked out. Let's see. Yeah, I might take this long, guys. It's just a little scary because it is tapping EMA 50 and VWAP on ES. So hopefully it doesn't completely reject to the downside after this candle. And it's about to tap freaking EMA 200 here. But it does show a lot of strength. I will probably make my stop loss a little bigger because I don't want to get just wicked out and then it continues running to the upside to fill this damn gap here. So we got a minute. Let's see how this closes. Let's hang in there. Hopefully it doesn't take the swing high. I don't want it to do that just yet. Just hang in there. Please give us a minute. Give us a minute. Don't take the swing high. It might take it right now. It might take it right now because I don't trade the 1 minute time frame. Let's see. Give us a minute. Don't take off yet. All right, guys. Yikes. It's a little tricky. This is a little tricky. Risk accordingly, guys. ATR is 53. I'm going to go long on this close of the candle. And then stay patient. We got 10 seconds almost. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't go straight down right after this. And
order filled.
all right. Risking 5 to make 6. Hopefully it could get up here. If I really want to move my stop here. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop to the bottom of the swing low, and I'm gonna risk to make 1,000 then. All right, we're in profit. Let's see if I could get 1,000. Let's go. Let's see. I'm gonna put a partial right. Where is this shit? 25.010. 25.010 is right here. We can close out 3 there. 25.010. If it gets there. There's also EMA. Let's close out 3 right there.
Order submitted.
So I'll take a partial right here, and then I'll move to break even once it gets past that, if it gets there. Hopefully it does. Let's see. I'll leave a runner. We'll leave one runner this time. This is just one account. Let's see if it could get there. Come on. Come on. Don't reject off VWAP there. Don't reject ES's. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fill this imbalance. Let's go. Get up there. I know you could do it. Almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Little bit more. Little bit more. Come on. Don't run out of juice now. Fill this imbalance, please. Fill it. Fill it. If you guys took the long with me, you're in profit. You guys can close it out whenever you guys want to close it. Don't say you lost because of me. This is I'm up 320 right now. Let's see if it can hit this swing high right here. Let's go. Pop it. Pop it. Come on. I know you could do it. I know you could do it. Come on. Oh my God. Don't tell me you're going to run out of juice now. Close that 160. Good stuff, man. We got a winner. We got one winner. Oh my goodness. Don't run out of juice. Oh no. I got to take something. I'm going to put it back. I'm going to move it here. No, don't run out of juice now, bro. Don't run out of juice now. Oh my God. This thing's gonna make me suffer now? Come on. Hit the swing high. Swing high. Just take out a partial. Let's see. Wait to fill 3 contracts up there and then sell another. Yeah. That's well, short. Contracts wound up in the 2 short contracts. Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Just tap it. Just tap it. Just tap the swing high. Oh my God. Incredible. I think it still has some more juice. I think it still does. Gotta stay patient. Let's go. Come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, NASDAQ. Oh my God. Complete out of juice now? No. No way. It is tapping EMA 50 on the 15-minute time frame. Kind of cooked myself. I should have closed that. I'm going to give it. I have faith. I have faith it's going to get up there. I have faith it wants to fill this on the 1 hour. Just got to be patient. Come on. Don't run out. Don't run out of juice. Oh my goodness. Well, at least somebody won. Oh my God. Incredible. If this thing comes all the way down and stops me out, bro, like, whatever. Wow. Incredible. It didn't hit the damn swing high, man. Let's hang in there. Let's hang in there, guys. Oh my God. This is gonna close red? No way. Okay. Come on, get up there. Let's go. Let's go. Take off. Take off now. It went to 38 points, guys. If it would have got to 40, my auto trail would have kicked in, and it didn't hit 40 points. Not good. Not looking too good, guys. It did hit EMA 50, so hopefully it has enough strength to keep pumping. This is not good. We're going to have to wait. If it gets me, it gets me, man. But at least one of you guys closed. Let's see. It ran out of juice, man. Maybe it wants to retest VWAP. Hopefully it doesn't come all the way down and murder me. What a fail, man. What a fail on 38 points. Like 2 points away, not even, less than 2 points away to kick the auto trail. Let's see. It's being rejected straight off VWAP on ES. That's not good. Yeah, definitely not good, guys. Fail. Epic fail. I should have taken a scalp there. I just wanted 2 more points, man. Let's go. Let's see. Hopefully it changes its mind and says, oh, yeah, you're right. There is a gap there. Let me go fill that first. Tricks and squeezes all the people who want to go short right now. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Get in there. It's in a tricky spot. It's in a tricky spot. Nah. You can't let emotions kick in, bro. You have to trust that your idea was right. I mean, I am fading the trend though, so I just thought it was gonna at least fill the freaking gap, and I know it's gonna fill this gap, but I hope it doesn't stop me out before it fills the damn gap. Let's see. Let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance. We are above VWAP and above the other EMAs, so we do have some support for it to come back up. This could be just a little pullback, and maybe it'll just keep, or maybe it's a complete rejection to the downside. I don't know. Maybe it wants to tap. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of rejecting off VWAP on ES. Let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. It's gonna write. That's why I did one contract. I mean, I did one account, because these fake outs, man, these damn fake outs. It's in a tricky spot, but at least one of you guys closed early. So you guys closed at 160. That's amazing. I should have got out earlier. That was about 38 points, by the way. From here to here, 38 points. I just wanted at least 40, man. Shit. Let's see. Maybe I'm cooked. Maybe I'm cooked. It's a possibility, guys. It's running out of juice. Very, very strongly running out of juice. Let's see. I had to move my stop bigger just because the ATR is 53, guys. So just to have it enough wiggle room to distribute in the direction it really wants to go in. If you have a 50-point stop loss, you're probably getting cooked right now, and you're about to get stopped. Or if you already did get stopped. Oh no, it's 35. It went down 35 points. You still be alive. All right, right back up. I have faith. I have faith it wants to get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's indecision, guys. That's indecision. That is indecision. No, don't close like that. Don't close like that. Oh, man. Let's see. Come on, flip it. Flip it to the upside. Squeeze all the shorters. Squeeze all the short positions. Squeeze them. Let's go. Come on, hit my partial at least, so I can move to break even. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. I believe. I believe. I believe it. I hung in there. Come on. Come on. A little more. A little more. Just a tad bit more. Just, the swing high that you did. Nothing crazy. Make a new high. Let's go. Oh, man. It ran out of juice again. No, don't tell me that. Man, this thing is tricky right now. Well, if anybody took a short there, well, what have I said before, guys? You know, don't take a short into VWAP. Buyers and sellers are right here. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but let's hope it pumps here. Let's hope it pumps. What are we looking at? ES is pumping. Let's see if we can get a nice push to the upside again. Come on, we're almost there. Give me at least 3. Let me close at least 3. NASDAQ, come on. Shooting star on the 15-minute time frame. It is a shooting star, so hopefully it has enough room or strength to the upside. There's also a fair value gap or imbalance on the top on the 15-minute time frame. I think it's this one. It's more or less right here too. Let's go. Come on. Quick little pop. Quick little pop of 40 points, man. Oh my God. Of course, when I get in, it starts chopping, man. It starts chopping. Sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Do something, NASDAQ. Let's get
Green Giant.
Come on. You like that sound. Come on, Green Giant.
Green Giant. Green Giant.
Let's go. Let's just get a little pop. A little pop. And then you can do whatever you want. I'm going to move to break even and whatever. If I get 3 micros, then it is what it is. Just give me the pop, please. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Jump up there. Come on. There's the dangle the carrot, guys. Dangle the carrot right here and say, hey, come on. Hey, I'm up here. I'm up here. Film me. Come on. Get the mushroom. The mushroom is right here. The mushroom is right there. Let's go. Y'all are probably, why don't you close it out? You're at $140. I'm shooting for 1,000, guys. Hey, there we go.
Green Giant.
Let's go. A little more, baby. A little more. You got a minute. You got a minute to get up there. Let's go.
I got this.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That candle.
He needs some milk.
Come on. Pump it.
Green Giant.
Pump it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I hung in there through the drawdown. Pay me at least 3 micros, man. I'm not asking for much. Let's go. Tap that swing high and get me out of here. Let's go.
Green Giant.
Let's go.
Or
Oh, 10-4, we got him. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're in the green, guys. We got break even. Why does it say 5 when it should be 2? Oh my God. This thing trips, bro. This thing is tripping.
order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, I'm out of there. Yeah. What we ended at? 261, man. 261. I just didn't want to get caught on that swing low. After it hits a swing high, it usually pops down, guys. Like strongly. So I just wanted to take some profit there off the table. We ended at 261. We're still a little red. 160. Not a big deal, guys. Overall, on the week, we are up. Let's subtract the 160 because we're going to do the right math. We're not lying that we weren't green for the week. So, since I suck at math, right? What is it? 2,212 minus 160. That is $2,052 green on the week. All right, guys. Nothing crazy, but yes, W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I knew it wanted to hit that swing high. I was just like, come on, don't go lower before you got to tap that swing high and then drop. But hey, listen, we weren't wrong. We weren't wrong on the long here. It just, it's struggling. It's a battle right now. The overall trend is bearish, so the bulls are really fighting the bears right now, man. It's really fighting. But I have a strong feeling eventually it's gonna get up here and fill this imbalance. This little 1 hour imbalance is so enticing to the market, but there is a lot of resistance. Why is it struggling to pump up? We got EMA 200 right here. We had swing highs with a lot of sellers right up here. So as soon as it tapped it, what happened? Boom, straight down. This candle looks small, guys, but it was, look at this shit, 38 points to the downside, man. That's a complete straight back to, it would have been negative again. Now it could rip, but it's playing around at VWAP on ES. ES right now it can't deliver to the upside. It's literally just chopping at VWAP. So it's a tricky spot right now, guys. It was a risky trade. Don't get me wrong. I was in an A+ setup, but I was trying to catch this momentum and breakout. I knew this was a fake breakout because VWAP was right here, and it's the first time it's tapping VWAP since, like I told you, 7 o'clock. So I was like, all right, let me wait until it pulls back, shows me it wants to break out again. I wasn't convinced on this candle, obviously, because it was still under VWAP. This candle obviously convinced me. When it closed, it showed me very bullish momentum. It got pushed down slightly by the imbalance, but obviously it ripped over 40 points. I took out a partial, and then it stopped me in profit on the break even. I'm okay with that. Let's go, guys. Hey, we were patient. We took a good trade. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure your friends subscribe so you can see how I trade. I break down the trades. I try to explain why I entered the trade. I kind of explain what I'm looking for and why I'm looking for longs on a downtrend market. Overall, we don't want to go. We're taking trades on the 5-minute time frame, guys. So the highest time frame I look at is the 1 hour. Obviously, I look at 4 hours, just the overall 15 minutes. I'm getting a general direction of which way it wants to go, but these swings are super choppy to go up. Yes, it wants to go up, but it's about when exactly you enter the trade to go up. And technically right now, if you're still in the trade, there's a possibility it keeps going up. It's just the swings are very strong, guys. So if you continue trading for the rest of your day, trade safe, and have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday, and have a great weekend. Make sure you guys tune in. Tell your friends to subscribe if they want to learn about trading. I'm giving all this free information for free. All you got to do is subscribe. See you guys Monday, 9 a.m. Set it on your calendar. Hit the notification. I'll set up the upcoming thing. If you want to see more of me, you could go to Trading with David 305 on Instagram and TikTok to get updates and see me there after the stream. All right. Thanks, man. No problem. Thank you, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and see you Monday. Later, guys.